You're slow. You're slow. Hello, Craigie T.
What's up?
Welcome to Daytime Live. It's Tuesday, December 5. I am so excited, Craigie. It's been a while. Where you been?
It has been a while. So I'm back from road life, tour life. But remember to stay connected with us on Instagram and Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live, as well as Facebook at TVJ Daytime Live.
I don't understand. I'm just say road life, tour life, and just moved on.
Yeah.
Okay, let's bring you back.
all right. It's a thing, it's a modesty thing, You don't want to keep
that
the
so?
attention. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to take it away from you now.
No
what
problem.
were you touring about?
No problem. I have 2 new singles out now. One called No Space and one called Alive. So I did a little 4-state radio promotion on tour.
What 4 states?
I did Orlando, which is in Florida. I did Boston, Connecticut, and New York.
Oh, so it was good?
Yeah, man, it was good. A couple of appearances, lots of radio performances, and stuff.
And
like
apparently he has another single coming out soon. Not sure if you wanted me to say that, but I've already said it.
Well, holy for things that come up, man. Nothing.
Very good. Now remember, if you want to be a part of our live studio audience, call, secure your seats. Just call 926-1100 to 6. That's 926-1100 goes up to 6. Or log on to televisionjamaica.com and claim your free, let me say it again, free tickets to be here, a part of the audience on Daytime Live.
Also, if you won't be able to watch the entire show today, not to worry. Catch the rebroadcast on onespotmedia.com and past performances, chat, buzz on televisionjamaica.com. Now let's see what's buzzing today. First up, award-winning journalist and TV host Ian Boyne has been hospitalized after a medical emergency recently. Ian Boyne is the Deputy Chief Executive Officer for the Jamaica Information Service, that's JIS, a Gleaner columnist, and he hosts the long-running television series Profile as well as Religious Hard Talk.
Both of them right here, here on TVJ.
So everybody here at TVJ and the rest of the media fraternity and Jamaicans are saddened by the news, and we wish for him a speedy recovery. In the meantime, his family is asking and appealing to the media and other concerned friends to honor their request for privacy at this time and for continued prayers for Mr. Boyne.
And that's something we can give. I'm really sorry to the family and friends of Mr. Boyne. Now, on another sad note, founder and CEO of Golden Crust Bakery, Lowell Hawthorne, allegedly committed suicide over the weekend at his Bronx, New York factory. Now, the news has left Jamaicans at home and abroad in shock. And we're all begging the question to be answered, why did this happen? So according to the New York Post, a family member told detectives that Mr. Hawthorne admitted to having a huge tax debt to some of his relatives, and he was apparently acting funny, talking to himself hours before his suicide. He was 57 years old. That really breaks my heart,
Yeah, man. But I didn't even know that talking to yourself was considered funny nowadays. I mean, I thought that was like the norm nowadays to cope.
You're kind of throwing me in a spot where you're making me smile right now because I want to say I talk to myself and answer myself all the time. But you just don't know what people are going through on a daily basis.
Yeah, you can never tell. I mean, it's always important to express the way you feel about people, while they're still here with us. So, if you have somebody close to you and you haven't told them that you love them in a while.
Craigie, I love you.
You don't know. On a lighter note, though, the boss, sprint legend Usain Bolt, has been honored in bronze with the unveiling of an 8-foot statue in his likeness at the National Stadium on Sunday, depicting his trademark to the world pose. Yeah, man, Dr. Bolt is Dr. Bolt,
Yes, you have to listen. You have to say the right thing. I was very impressed, as always, with his speech,
right?
Which he kind of just freestyled,
yeah.
And he admitted that he never expected to get to this place where he's considered to be this big star, and he encouraged us that just keep working hard, and once you work hard, once you keep going after your dream, you're gonna get there. I really loved all he said.
Truly an amazing.
Happy for you, Messi?
Yeah, man, and that's the thing too. He kept it real as always. I love that.
You love that?
Yeah,
are you a big fan, not true?
I know him.
Well, superstar Rihanna was home in Barbados for a huge honor. I don't think it's as big as Dr. Bull, but let's see. She was there for the naming of a road after her. So the road is now called Rihanna Drive.
That's a big deal, man.
It is?
Yeah, man.
Because she have her own road.
Yeah, man.
That she can drive on.
She can drive her car on her road to her house.
Well, she then went to a party with some Jamaican reggae stars at the huge Hennessy Artistry concert. I almost went,
Yeah.
Well, this concert featured popcorn, Tory Lanez, Mavado, Beres Hammond, and Sizzla Kalonji.
Right.
So here's a clip of Rihanna during Sizzla's performance.
Want to see this?
Yes, I shout it. That's it, it done?
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. Bad girl, Riri, man. That's how she do it, man. And congratulations are in order as well for Lisa Hanna and Richard Lake, who will be tying the knot this weekend.
Hoot, hoot.
Wow.
I wonder what her wedding dress is going to look like.
It's a hat, for sure.
Yeah, I like the name already. Lisa Hanna Lake.
Lisa Hanna
Just
Lake.
has this expensive sound to it. I love
Maybe
it.
she's going to have her own lake. I don't know.
We have a giveaway?
We also have a giveaway courtesy of Hilo Stores. In order to win a $2,000 gift voucher, log on to our Facebook page now. It's at TVJ Daytime Live. Like the page and answer the question on the post to win this $2,000 voucher.
All right, so wait. I have to answer the question on the Facebook page.
Right.
In order to win. All right, cool. What's the question?
The question is, name all of the Jamaican acts that performed at the Hennessy Artistry concert Rihanna attended in Barbados. And we just said...
So easy.
We just said the names.
Where's my phone? I can answer the question. Lend me your phone.
All right, see it here.
Okay, so when we come back, we might just have the winner, right? It's probably going to be me. We take our first break on Daytime Live. Soon come back.
Hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up.